Mara ivoice kazini mara nayo izothi kancane uAfrikaans.
No, she was not. That's really has.
Angakhenisa ukuthi why ivoice yakhe sizwe. Can't you like turn it down? Take us
Chila Nami episode 30. Asibangele.
Go down low. 3 AM. That guy is Spider-Man. It's up. Ngicela ngicanga ngiproducele i-remix. Yeah, go down low.
Yeah.
Lo mtshita lo kuvela wathi say less. Asena nje speaker no tolo umuntu oshama push up abebibia ekhaya. Echimela. Nje mangivuka ekseni nango uphisero dog. Shiny remix nje yami. Ebithi akayiqedi.
That's dope. Nilungise lona. Oh, and a shout out to JR Classic.
Shout out.
Classic was in the intro song. We need to finish it with proper screen now.
Episode.
Yeah, definitely. We'll see the way. Fire. Yeah, that's what I said.
Lela pisero ngathi manje soshashala.
Ngathi soshashala zamu njengama Ottoman. Ngathi ile show le yaka MTV. La washashala.
That's crazy. Until we got this bani lo nje kello. Cindy Makhathini.
Oh yeah.
Dog shashala zira. Cindy dog.
Dana yambona.
Bathi bekashalo bani unefidelity yakhe.
I don't uSindi mina ntanga ngicaza kahle.
Makhathini. Dog, mntana bekana umzimba ofresh up until wapompa ama hips. I don't understand. Pompa ama hips kenzakaleni.
Ilaba ama BBL.
Fuck. Lidliwe kaze bengizokhipha mara
lidliwe.
Last week ngibonile man makuthi mangishoota mangazilungisi before show lesidingo sami ngathi nayo uyazibuza ukuthi sicela event kaPhili boy mara ikhathi lidliwe yamona ngimuhle gcobe napiki
la ngifuna ushashalaza lapho.
Let's go back to the issue of Cindy Makhathini, right? That hand is still fire.
Yeah. No doubt.
Her body is still fire. She's still fire.
I can debate. No, I can debate about that. Like umzimba wakhe ne, like for me, the time sase natural and anything, perfect. But obvious umzimba wakhe. So, you understand? But like hourglass dog. Mara no ntanga seka hourglass. I don't say that's mine. For me, that's my own personal opinion. But then, if she's okay, shout out. Move to see that wouldn't mind. Uthi your host that I wish now angaba hostess la nasilethele abantu aba serious nathi. Asazilethi naba uzosilethele ukuthi bazospenda for in.
Plus thina ngento social.
No. We still need to discuss it as a team before siyenze.
But
something is coming. Jack Train is coming.
Jack Train yambuya. Dana kunini dana belibuye vela ngeke asengikhathele kunini slow speed nabathi nabantu bas disappoint.
Been a while dog. Been a while.
Otherwise mfana wase 1475 lo staff khelo pretty boy Jilana siphethe uhlalisithile lapha yana uFirst Lady siphethe nobuselethu busi sweza mfethu
uzoke mama
It's a booster of bad, no say of it. This was press and yeah.
Mara
You know the three.
Mara tangale sky press phela everything is okay.
No, let's test out this episode Tala. New laptop Mara not now.
Oh, I hope yes.
I valid.
To you phone me in prepida.
Pushing it.
I was charging it.
Wow,
I need to
USB. Is it the USB to
No.
Yes.
Mara, I need to my the hotspot.
Okay, no
Yeah,
problem.
but it's okay. I need to want to sakra.
Yeah.
Tata kwa na.
YouTube
Hey, jubla masita mani. Correction
series.
No, I saw someone. I saw unje interview or a podcast nega Skim GP. He was interviewing this guy. He had him as a guest well. So this guy would say, like, I think it was previous before the YouTube, like before this case, the case I have. We are sure if you use Lama's land, like what's it while you're outside, but he is.
Oh yeah. Basically, your superstitions was a change.
Yeah, superstitions are going. If let's say was busy about correction series, correction series 26 again.
Sure.
So you are still using the revenues.
Sure.
So what's the end of the year? If I didn't according to
see, I don't know vele. Ninangishido ngathi support amanyana South Africa. Ngeke ngisupport umuntu obuyela abantwana abayi4.
Mina wasn't supporting him. I was just consuming the content.
That's the problem. I was not saying good in cancel as a country, ne? I was not saying some cancel, but then after killing 4 babies, ndana khona abazali aba traumatized lento abayenza umntwana manje. No unokucabanga ukuthi umntwana kuzongena endlini umntwana kabuyi every day.
And uJuju la masita manje every day.
Umoja la uyebona manje.
Phone yambona. And futhi yazi already mitom kanjani.
Wakhuluma ngayo umuntu.
Besides like once you have relations now everywhere. Angithembi nabazali bayazi not interested. Angithembi bayacava lo party. So uvela everywhere. Umzali
bayazi.
Ayithana lakho liyagana.
Haleya. Ngibone no ndifuna ukumonetize lapha Facebook no. Ngifuna ukumonetize on Facebook. Yakubiza mina nje bayombhatala ngivise 10,000 video wayo.
10,000. Uposte ngoba
angithi he's doing this thing CAT legs met.
So
can cash in transit.
Balokushashalaza kahle
Akashashalazi yena. He's just posting videos of labantu laba abaspanini. And then what happened to high stands again about this job. Angithi usipana nabantu lezo vele.
Okay. Oh crazy. Hey matalako hey. Matalako.
Ngikuthi ngimoto amama manje. Ngibathomba.
Why konje ibiza ngoba ithi boy afana. Slowly yakho nje.
Ayikho slow yakho.
Ayikho slow.
Relax.
Ayile relaxed. Tsotsiba karabo. Utsitse koleya. Abatsamaya le yona. Alo speed. Ana uri ane mapodile.
Angithi ngasikhetha abataya amarimi ngathi abulitayela
down. Tell us about the story. That's crazy.
I wanted to actually finish one as well on the podcast.
Yeah.
I wanted to tell the story because she was there. She made the same day in high school. Remember high school? Weekend is Pumile and Amachita.
Yeah.
Mina I'm like, Fuseka, because now we have to give an AXC, figure out what's here. She says it's like a fact of motor. But we motor boy in his kawash car. We look at the Nichotman. It's in the seats. Tell it better.
What grade was this?
This was grade 12. My final year.
I was so tired.
I'm taking 6 in your letter.
Oh, take
boy. And then the couch is review. When the couch is review there. They wasn't getting from what I mean.
So you had the son? Use
So yaphuma la ekhaya washile lezi zami ziyangibhelela boy sesilathina abantwana sicela ukuthi ulanda boshivona yabo I'm like afile no floor nyaya boy shaya imoto boy sekindlile manje bangifika qobo boshivona inkinto imoto icale overheat shit ayintana ngithuke ngifike ngipake emakuleni ngihleli nabo vele so
75
ngivule bathi ikhula lento le bambi ayikhula ngale spray amanzi so that was the problem because kumele ngithela amanzi amasha before ngidle angithela amanzi kube le mikhulumani yabona boy nje umuntu uthela amanzi amasha no mebele ubuye ngeshort boy ngitayo nyamlalela mangibuye this yabona ama 4-way stop ne 4-way stop ngayo khona ngathi ne hump nyana so yenza so tana ngihamba 160 yard
How? Hey.
The street is long, dog. It's like from the one last corner.
Okay.
Ugia emacontainer. Straight njalo ama-4 ways there. So le 4 ways le lapha yiyo eqhawathile.
So wena ungasabi ukuthi kuzoba nemoto ezulu.
Fusetho ibisasabona phambili ndoda. Ushumakha baba. Sentini izonga uSchumacher boy. Fika kulelele ngileyanda. Ngacaba ushiwo ngikhalisa iphi ingoma. Ngicaba ingoma ka6ix9ine noNicki Minaj.
Iple.
Ini ififi. Entwana. Ibhizi yasho mfowethu. Hayi futhi sanga isandi vitamin mnandi vele.
Okay.
Uhleli ngapha ku left ushiboya boy.
Uthenge store.
Ngata silanda. Utanyatheli imoto hamba 160 semefika bad. Yathi imoto boy. Ukuthi lente kanjani imoto angazi lento engiyenza ngayekela accelerator ne brakes ekuthamba am steering wheel phela.
Yeah, that's good.
Thema ilela boy brake. Ashaya pavement. Ngiyabona ama-pavement lawa so.
Yeah, you feel.
Akwamari. Fangibuye ngepaka fast food yami vele ayikho bathi imoto ngidanzwa lo success la fika yabo ngiyenza kanyana fika ngidaya ngithenga tire uri ngizazi hayi
So you quite
ngada
yes
so
wait my double tire
hayi ukuthi le baja like
Oh,
idabule ikuseni ngizwa ngayo hey
well akho ni 45
angiphuma mina ngithi mhlawumbe khona ufuna ngikhabe yabo usually mangibiza kanjalo khona ufuna ukungibuza yona mangifika ngala athi really emsini
indoda futhi yakho vele ngaba ready
ngicabanga le goal 6 mali
la
yo yakhapo umuntu obona wenzeni nje
yes
mina ngidala ngathanda ukuthima
uyayiphika
ngiphike 3 weeks I think 3 weeks okay ngiphika
That's crazy.
until abona ama kilometers da same thing khawule boma I think boma plus minus 18 kilometers
so ile petrol
petrol bebhangi ithwendile yawo
oh it's
yeah so ubone ngama kilometers zangu reset mangifika endlini
vele bakhamba kanjani
kodwa man uyithathile le moto man because namakavaya njalo yenzani makabuye endlini iya reset ukuze mangijwayela zokhona ukubona
azobona dog I also have a story like that
Yeah.
track esimzini
mina vele dog ijoja le yeah the thing
hayi tshontshe vele bangithana lami lesontweni mali yesontweni kanjalo hayi Ufundisi dog. Evangelist or ufundisi.
Ngikumbona makasha amasudu ukuthi lama.
Aleke kangihlitse ngaphela.
Sina amasudu lawa agqoke umshini lawa akhethemu lawo ngizi lawa.
Best dog. Ngitsoma lawa. Athana abanyela ukuthi. Baba. Angalo mthita lo yesontweni. Ngale uSolomon.
Oh, utshela Solomon.
Yeah. So bayasithuma lapha emzini khona my sister bekabloma la emzini emarumi so she's like ngicela ningelele spa ningithengela angazi ngathi bese ngithengela ibooze and bazosigangatha i-change angithi manje sinto la and la I think bekishavele nami nge-trip Solomon asha 11 and then I'm like okay asiva so excitement imoto lodo yebe driver
Obvious.
njaya abona likhona leli edatito
Oh yeah, da sure.
sajika la ahlanganyiswa nama masifike sibani ntwana sizwa ngecall ntwana itrack ithi imoto zonke ziphumile gift don't fuck with me take back my car njayam azange sangene nasetops
Nabuya mfana.
njayam so ujuntshula immediately masaceda ukufika
Nawe
wafika YouTube follow me. That time, YouTube follow me. Like he's been raising us in Iron Fist. The time I say fresh, I say,
Sure.
I tell us something in the talk.
I want to know how to put it cheap.
Yeah, I understand. Ngizokutshela story naye ntwana leyitshela mas but then ndoda la place fake endlini ndoda le ndoda lesipata ntanga
Metric vela.
to yana ela to keep it back tanga satekana
Bamba le pandwe.
that's what two azali reaction not the same
Ngikwazisa ukuthi manje kanjalo.
Sure, ngitshela amasiko. Ndoda sekathi mist screamer ayibo esingadaka lapha.
Uzomoya.
Nje yami.
Hayi lapho ngibona khona.
That was the last time feeling. That man like I'm shy or anything like that. And you feel about that I pointless. The thing ends no. Then I am. I started to say that. I said to go to corner. I said, "Babu, you can't even say that." I'm 18, dog. I'm 18, dog. This guy will be shining bad. I'm 18.
Unless
we shine a patent.
Yeah, just that.
Yeah, I understand. But yeah, I'm shy very doing it. I understand. But after what you will notice with that, this is in the line. She might have told me, look, I thought I was listening to Cholaganja.
I don't know. I wasn't told. I know
Tangamelamba. My right time, you can't do that shit. You understand? No, like, put it, even if you are shy, I understand. I can't be saying like
you can't be saying that.
Yeah, it's
I got to the party.
Hey, Baba.
My emotional and abusive father, what must happen if you tell my local abuse?
I'm
Amarato, you can't. Be okay.
You.
There's a reason. I have
you speak, I listen, I don't do the key. Let's say
you did it like 3 times, all of Akusa. That's what we're saying. I give us a reason to Uchega one.
At this point,
I think now we are grown enough to develop.
Don't put your hands on it.
It's the new gen, dog.
I let me know color no when every weekend to one. I will is on shine. No. Kaba puzim pencil.
I will be back. And I'm the channel of Prince Dog when you battle. Prince Dog, she's kid. You pay, you don't feeling. You want to match. It's perfect. Can I smooth a crane? No, no, yeah, Baba. But then, like, who Prince when you battle, she's kissing madame. She dog. Like this kid dog, but like it dog. Like I'm feeling a pillar man. Like Intana you share this key and it's okay. Before na people I'm like Intana don't keep paying moto. We be like young nice solo we telling a man about because Nyazin Bashi the name names it's hard time whatever.
Into whatever you do.
Podcast day was the day for music podcast. Intana
last week, man.
No, not last week. Yo, think about 2 or 3 weeks back. I'll come today. It's me that I'm page. Hey,
let's phone look guys.
I need a flag among Cheleo.
But the footage.
So for post production the times it's all. But then dog. And the very we can at least the Bonagal and Bonnie sent Tangamana is good dog like Benzagala. We go with it.
Sounds very good.
Namis Marinking would think Nami one piece, but I see but then Untana Nimkai very ski, it's okay sharp, no, but like Velang call. Nah, dog, Velang call, Veranja, yes, don't refolo. You ask. Where should we? Shamshish, hey, boo, your front wheel drive.
I was missing what happened.
Ntwana front wheel drive, Zuza Matara Pamila flat. You understand? Which is Kunganjan. Ntwana you check over and easy. Long now some more way, dog. Like this nigga dog is really like
he's reckless.
Like it's really reckless. Because like now, what if let's say you tell Charlotte they are calling on the bonding or maybe what any motor.
You understand?
You understand? I'm like lava she's like dog like in Safara, this guy is doing me like this, dog like.
But I don't think I'm defender anytime.
A dog lemotegas military anyone at the anxiety dog. Man, volume young to Prince of China, like, we look at this key. Then I get to And then him cousin. Yeah.
No, that is a poor.
No, not like you
So, what do you say?
No, I said with the long man, you know. And then him cousin.
That's what it is right now. That's the Masamba and the skip it as a remember same thing say choose. What is that like a Puma? We should be a Puma same things.
It was before Lichila Penga.
No, same thing was such song.
I think that was
fast.
That was before. Because ever since the diary that I don't because man we are na ila pa yeah, which means I think you don't see it afterwards. My 50-50.
Anytime, time, Muslim otole.
Podcast we can say figa la sakona.
Hey, dobbiamo che save dog, save
I first time in the guys.
Dog, can I give someone the mic? I wanna go and pee, dog. And then and then I can come back and explain what's going on before you me easy job.
Anyway, we're gonna be talking about this thing.
Okay, cool.
Class unity. How are you? Guys, now podcast date from Nan. Wait, did you see this thing?
Give your ass warm poison.
This nigga,
dog.
No, the couch is warm. What's up?
So now, that's our new browser now. Apparently. Basically, police were forced to use stun grenades and rubber bullets to disperse angry Malawian protesters who blocked traffic near Sheerwood Hall. So it's a protest.
Like, what gives them the authority to protest in South Africa? By illegal.
I was talking to Tzibang about this thing yesterday.
Yeah.
Scala in the day one. The problem mentally much too much.
That's too much.
It's only because by appointed a king, a eastern king, and that king is Nigerian.
Valid.
That's how it started.
Wait, but appointed
they appointed a king of Nigeria in Eastern
Did you see
Cape.
that story?
Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
In one of their villages.
Yeah.
A king.
Exactly.
And he's Nigerian.
He's Nigerian.
How is that possible?
That's why AmaZulu wahlele elokishini. AmaZulu AmaZulu angichaza. Ungizwe leke elokishini lokho abhekele ukuthi bafana yahamba lisiya. Wawuza bathi king wathi kwenzakalani?
King, inkosi.
Hayibo. Namhlo. Kodwa wafanele uphakele umthakathi. Umthakathi awungitshele uyayibona into engibona la.
Ngasho uNqutuli ngeke.
Hayi umthakathi wathi ayaqhamisa lo show.
Yazi lapho. Awutisbalani lapha Eastern Cape.
Basuka eKwaZulu-Natal by Eastern Cape by cancel the kingship yabo. Because one thing I understand them appointing a leader, not a king, like a leader which don't know who uzokhulumela wonke ama-Nigerian ase-Eastern Cape. You know,
Yeah.
It was gonna make sense. Now you're appointing a king. Oh, sorry, but usuthu akwenzeki la angithi AmaZulu
Even how do you appoint a king of the Xhosa nation if that person is not even Xhosa?
It was not even a Xhosa nation as per se. It was just
A guy.
a guy. It was not for the nation.
Do you think it was the money check? Do you think that nigga had so much money that he was appointed king?
Money, king I see money. King is always because royalty was not enough.
Yeah.
So right now, let's do what bands on the planet.
What type of
And how
royalty
can you
in-
be a king if you don't even know their values, their beliefs, their language, and then you are their king?
No, I think they were continue the conversation. Or you
the conversation.
you leave. She's not
Conversation.
Now you take the mic there. I understand what you're saying. Yes, you also check the camera.
Oh, the camera, okay.
So now,
That was started to the team.
let me put you up to speed. Let's
Yeah.
much too much.
Okay.
Iqale ngokuthi ama-Nigerians appointe i-lady lapha i-king Eastern Cape.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's how it started. So sakhuluma into leyo. So Mahlathi is asking ukuthi yini la uthi benemali uzibenzele amasimba lawo na. How do you appoint the king in nation engaseyakho ntanga?
In a foreign land.
In a foreign land.
In a foreign land. They know that Tina as South Africans, if Sinasuga la si Nigeria cities you in the inauguration da in Nigeria, how are they going to? How is the reception going to be like?
Never mind that. I'm going to cover there's reviews of everything. people from South Africa were complaining about the fact that when you go to Nigeria as a South African, you are not treated the way we treat these Nigerians here.
True.
Yeah. Thina sinobuntu.
Bayagada labantu abayazi.
Thina sinobuntu either way.
Every move you make as a South African, if you hire a car dog, amagata agadile. If you do what, like I'm a South African, most Nigeria, they're not welcome as much.
You're not that.
No, I'm swimming in food. Because no, especially with Baba protesting on social media, no.
Yeah.
We are all South Africans, not that. No, guys, we understand. Ngena legal, dog.
I saw Malawian were protesting.
We were talking about that.
Because now, Mara, okay, you know, with those ones, I'm like, these guys are protesting with it, bafuna mabaso with baham. Aba with it, I would angeke baham, but baham, but man, bafuna mabas.
From whom?
Until they provided the buses, Manchester Bahambila, thinking that we're diffusing.
Yeah, I'm not the Basha understand gun. But then I don't understand.
But in a foreign land, they are taking the police dog like.
And now it sounds serious when you start saying, no guys, we are very million harm. One thing that we are not xenophobic. We are not xenophobic.
I saw Ireland. Is it Ireland?
Yeah.
Ireland is football and their protest is even worse.
Ireland, I don't know about American. The team, the national team. Yeah, they can't.
If I speak weird. Dog, we are live on the podcast. What are you saying? We're shooting right now. We're live on the pod. Dog, was almost like a 30 minutes. 30 minutes, ne? Yeah, 30 minutes. Come on, you wanna come? I'm not sure.
Last 20, 40 minutes.
Yeah, we won't take long today. Alright, shut. We had a fit.
Yeah, I thought you were going to say something intimidating. No, so Ireland that I was America.
What?
They have to travel the same day.
I don't know what's the beef between Ireland and America. Can you please, do you have data there? Please check it out. What's the beef between Ireland and not Ireland, Lone S, no, Lone R. Ne?
Ireland.
Yeah.
I'm Irish.
It's called Ireland. So yeah, there's a beef between America and Ireland. I don't know what's going on. Ne? I tried figuring it out, but I was true. Right?
What?
Yeah.
Got what?
Oh, and another thing, who saw no make you when you never saw here?
They're swinging them.
Yeah, they're swinging them.
For him,
I have the story here.
They must
the legal drama stems from podcast and Chile episode titled Blue Mbombo Drama. So basically, it had me one. Zara June. So during the episode, the podcasters recklessly alleged that a very big celebrity had raped a woman at the organizer's flagship event at the Sun City Resort in Northwest in 2025.
They are okay.
So basically,
So they by any chance say allegedly while they were talking?
even if you say allegedly, if I have to sue you, I sue you.
If I say
Alleged won't save you. We are
Alleged
not
will not save you.
that's alleged. Figure that we have.
Show me the job.
So
Nomntana
in cars.
Exactly. Nomntana akangafika la ngamtshela ukuthi wawa naye ngamtshela wawa. Oh, that's trend. I want trend that wawa mos. But there are some stories is not good maybe we are just it's an pen. We are just talking because sometimes we hear things from because when I'm bringing shows on last week according to the hood. Yeah, that's what's going on.
Mara you reference you like
the hood.
The hood.
Yeah.
But who's the hood?
Oh, ntamangu piseni nakunanda.
Abathatha mama.
Thatha na bike.
On a lighter note, while Asayan is this guy. So this guy got a number. What did a number locate? Okay, so this guy, this is him. Hi, it's me, the guy you gave your numbers earlier. You look. Yeah. Double testing. Yeah, double testing. Yeah. You looked good. I like to get to know you. The girl's response. Lol. I just
Lol.
it's a paragraph.
Lol to the fullest.
Hey, dog. I just gave you my number so you not look bad in front of your friends. Not that. Not that. Let me
The first question, sure.
Focus on yourself and stop chasing women that are above your level. Bye.
That is.
Don't you have pictures of these two?
Come.
Because now I think the guys are ugly. First things first.
All the guys are ice boy.
What?
Ice boy.
Ice boy.
What did she mean by don't chase women that are above your level?
I
What's Ganjan Kebuti? The guy is below her
And
level.
the back charge. Sometimes not even one corner, boy.
Thousand not going a corner, but I'm not man.
That's the thing. That's where it comes from, okay? So if you do have money, can't tell me the bonara with somehow. What should I buy one until your parents?
And as females, we like plastic beggar. We start from the shoe,
Yeah.
then we go up.
But then I'm a millionaire of talking general stuff now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But he apparently.
Yeah, imagine second level.
No, I'm totally good. I'm a label Marach piece.
No, Mara, no, dog. Like, no, she's like he's living up to it.
Yeah.
So that's the thing, yeah. So like you tell me, Baba try to tell you, I'm figure Shama, off white, night, what, not to get your boy. Maraya Kata 10,000.
By the way, you didn't say Uti, like what are the charges for Chuchu?
Charges, you should need t-shirt of firearm.
I think it's 3 because
I tell him, I'm t-shirt of firearm here, in Kokota.
but he's on the cases is
Yeah.
he's facing 3 cases, ne? Kidnapping, defeating the ends of justice, and unlawful discharge of firearm.
Yeah.
Kidnapping.
And the Utovele out there, so
What's the context? No, I don't know the context. Okay.
Why are you Uber level, let's show up.
Okay.
So because Jordan 9 is in his head, when I was there, no, out today Uber driver. I understand the frustration, like not every guy that's giving Chivak.
The Ubers are not really poor, so now I understand.
Either way, dog. Either way.
Either
Why
way.
not you get a thing you say?
In the right.
Right. Okay, share the right details.
Yeah.
Exactly. And if I phone you should see
Yeah.
Yeah, bon.
But then nakona nomasengathiwa kunjalo ne why utrickish driver yabantu. Talk to your girl, dog. Yeah, talk to your girl. Dog. Like one thing I want you to understand the life in there. If you have a problem with your girl, talk to your girl. Don't fuck in the building. No man has a shot starting on guy with share away. Uzolisa mina. Nakuthunya ngitoshapa. Shy mina. Chalo get spam.
Stuff in spam, guys. Stuff in spam.
I'm not. Can't understand. But bang technician.
Yes, our personality.
Bang technician last week. You're saying spam very.
Stay by him.
Oba the transmission.
Let's
see, man.
That was a story. And
that's a friend.
and it's all we continue. Go to tell my Pia too. So much things very smooth. Mangingena,
Chris.
I got Chris, I got Chris, you got Chris Bakshaya, I am Gala, hey, Bakshana.
Yeah, Chris was shy.
Ngla around the Islam function, he's a tough to the Ask Mamma Cover. I'm not smoking Macoya.
You look
Okay, so now, my English is another container because Lama months will continue in a lie. So, see the conversation you are. Look, when I can't go one of one, I am better from your way. So, Mansura, I think maybe he really read my lips or something. Maybe I'm bad. And they are apparently like us, but it's a view on what they do now. When I saw him,
A job.
aye.
Job. Khona leni nhloko imbi ehlala ngasi FQ. Yanga ambusha leya.
In severe situation.
No. Like ngisemotweni yami uhamba with his drunk friend and then next thing because ba driver masimba so kuyento futheka namfutheka baqala
Oh, yeah, yeah.
bangilandelele bangibracketa next thing baphuma emotweni they start hitting me from the wheel dog dala ngizibona ngekia dog dala ngizibona ngemoto yami dog
I know, I mean, it was very.
that's why ngizonda iquit namanje ngoba lapha iquit
I mean, I don't
you're still saying
I don't think
yeah.
because if we win a business we have when I saw him, go ahead. What do you mean, man? And I'm not going to be among the I am busy when I saw him. I'm going to be young guys, they saw we hurt man in the jail. I hurt man. It's
ask his Please mind which mic is on.
Yes,
So whatever
sorry.
you pressing this.
I forgot that, sorry.
ithi kimi yona sane ngixoxa entwana nyabona ukuthi ngathi ngizoba nenkingi ngitshele lezi ama chance bene sivayile manje
Sawa bebe boy.
ngibheka into eyi-one ukuthi lo mntana noma kabuye uzofuna ukuzocommunicate
Okay.
yabo because lento engiyishilo kuye ngathi ngichazile
Yes.
ngiyabona ukuthi chance azivayile lezi zami zidada ngadla igame mathi azidlale phela eyi fike ngibambe la sengibe ngathi ngibhali nataye ithi mshana igame uqinile my brother
Situation is serious.
ngidakushiftile ephulini nje
Yeah man.
ayibona ukuthi khino ayazi ufuseke namnyama no ayesephila phakathi manje ngithi untwana vele yabo angiyena babayi hambani ngitshela awuthi ngiyazile ivayani boy
Save.
izodubula le
Yes.
anticipate vele siphumele into boy
Kanti why
Sasha
basha abaphethe ibhamba tu?
nokuvula icase kuyisileya mina nokuthi banizohlangana sathi masazi bathi uyebhele podcast so right job uzoba laso uzoba laso uzoba laso
Maranyeka shelo yini.
hayi masiceda episode ngiqeda ngayo ungaba mara ngiyadlala khona losisilo mina naye on talks so job
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Just wow.
Final.
finally ntana no yacaba yini temporary nto lena
Smile sakhona.
bengifuna yini manje bengifuna ukuyenza ilele game show nyana help staff find love anye ngisenzeka manje
So yenza Steve. So yenza Steve.
Awuyena manje
Find out.
about
He's already locked in, guys.
I'm not locked in yet
But you wanna be.
no
Which one is worse between being a stepfather and being a polygamy?
Stefan.
who's yes wait in a polygamy kanjani like yimi ngilabafazi abayi-2
Let's say abafazi bethu nomshito.
oh that's polyandrous polyandry
Polyandry.
yeah.
Okay, polygamy.
polygamy le yimi ngabafazi abayi-2 polyandry umfazi oyi-1 amajita ayi-2
Okay, okay, athi sibekele
Polyandry.
polyandry.
now let's say stepfather
So you'd rather share again?
rara boy mara mina ngizoba ngibhebheni in the relationship
Wait,
we won't be in the same bed C3 never
Exactly.
mina umsebenzi wami
Narungakhohlwa ukuthi phela if we want again, then she has the power and she has the right to decide ukuthi okay guys we need to
Nah, that's what I'm saying. Ukuthi mina in the relationship macala siba polyandrous. Ngizoba umbhebheni leya yiyo zokukhipha imali shadi yenzani. Mina ngilapse.
That's service.
And like my obvious money money phela wenzona sometimes. So ngivele ngibe le broke mina.
You really the polygamist?
Jonas.
I'm Jonas.
Watching the podcast today, please go watch it because
Yeah.
next week is super
Fire.
fun.
It's
But
fire.
one thing for sure, Jonas is more opportunity. Kona bachela wasquatele.
Exactly. You know what's my take about it? Dining there is samachita feel. Because now imagine I'm not saying me, but like imagine umchito go chite lukelwaki.
Exactly.
And then now they have to watch polygamy.
Yeah.
And imagine it's hectic because they have to go over that again now.
Yeah, that trauma.
And then fight again and
And
why did you do this?
But you can't start it as a book again.
Yeah, it's based on a
based
book.
on a book.
I want that book. I
Oh,
love
you
the
read
book.
it? Nah.
I feel like I love reading.
I think I was gonna enjoy it if being a Lapumi series, like if you the wife. The
Yeah.
wife. That's how I enjoyed the wife.
Yeah, I also.
I have
Because I read the book first.
Oh, the wife also has a book.
Yeah, there's like four books, ne?
Yeah.
The four series in there. What the call? It's Shomu the wife, Zandile the Resolute. Angazi ubuhle batwathe and then khona level 4.
I get all four.
Yeah.
I'm not a reader.
Yeah.
But you want to tell because I'm not a reader, man. It's called
Oh my God.
I say
Don't you tell her your name?
Yeah.
Nened.
Dog, just because
Yeah,
I read
but-
Oh
books
shit.
and I
That
read
happens,
books.
that happens.
Oh, man, uchokola zafunda.
Hey, dog,
Long
it's
story.
fine.
Uthola ukuthi uye lo waminika incwadi ngazifunda. There's khona lo chelo sikela sakho benkela zakho bokela zana.
I'm sure I'm a punchline was in my deep.
Baphiwe. You remember Baphiwe? Baphiwe was the one that hooked me into the wife.
Film, me too.
Yeah,
Me too.
She hooked me into the wife.
You know my people. That's weird.
Baphiwe she's such a hard man now.
Oh,
Shit.
Can she agree to this or deny it.
Yeah, definitely.
Hopefully she was.
Nzolingana nayo on Facebook. We're still in contact.
Yeah, but hey, sure, Polygamist, I watched it up until episode 11. I haven't finished it because Ukela made a card which I started without yet. So I stopped. All for her. Yeah, all for her. Uti and I bugele as actually episode 11 without even telling me. But then
You know one thing about being a gent in a relationship. Now that's why I'm not joking. Because I must sacrifice my life as my food. And I mean, I'm not here paying.
But it's for the greater good.
I understand that, but baby,
But it's fun watching stuff together.
I don't like watching something.
When at your mask?
Yeah.
How can you see us?
Because nobody should have fresh. I want to eat. What are you letting them? What are they making a show next? I don't see.
I don't learn things.
That's the thing.
I finished all of it.
Every time I tell them money, baby. But what else have I done?
It's so dangerous.
What's in
I finished all of it.
None of it.
Hey, Pishan, I should tell you.
I'm not there. Quite a sister that I'm tired.
Speak the truth.
When you pay on the moon to fail. No, when you pay on the moon, that's the thing now. No, that's the thing. When you pay on the moon, the cover you give for an into important. This is the way I can say so. So every time Bashar and a million and share around.
Yeah, I forget. Do you know how many times that is?
We shall 6 rounds now.
Not every episode, though. But I'm not going to tell you.
Don't know if I'm every episode.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not episode for Benagay 3 was with you.
Stuff my head. That's always stuff my head.
They come in and time.
It's who you are.
See, I'm so concerned.
Dog, I watched the dog. I watched the symphony. Lega, Zalatuzin, and Sanen. Fairly, I rated every performance.
Yeah.
Being this cards.
No babes.
Yeah. I watched it. Beno, day 1 to day 2, but then I only watched Lega day 1.
Say to me, Level.
Yeah, it's. You know what's crazy, dog? The symphony Kika Kelvin Momo has more numbers than Yakabsa.
Yes. It makes sense, though.
How?
Music Kelvin is more symphonic.
No, it's not there.
We are pretending.
No,
Why?
it's not
Why?
there. The symphony Kabs is clip cool than Muti.
Oh, yeah.
We are
It was too excited, yeah.
Nakona, you know, in problem. It's posted on various accounts. There's no like the symphony doesn't have like a solid account for it.
Red Bulls.
Yeah, Red Bull symphony. It doesn't have.
Okay.
Abayenzanga to. So even nala symphonic lawa kadlala tuzinana. Each and every artist obela phaya song atuzingimali posted, kadlala tuzing posted. I don't know who else posted, but like my posted my YouTube channel.
I cover millions in Mofun Bono with the numbers. Take every channel that has the Kabza Symphonic.
But ungakhohlwa what if ngiviewe la kule channel le ngahamba ngayoviewa kule ya mangisearch kwavela le ya mangisearch kwavela le ya or ngiyabona ya pop up I'm like hey sengibona ukuthi
top 5 I want top 5 obviously number like ama numbers and uma uqala usearch izokugala top 5 first over the top 5 leya Kabza uhlanganisa ama numbers wakhona uqoqa top 5 ya Kelvin Momo uhlanganisa ama number
because
yeah
I think maybe it's like that because Yaga Kelvin it has the reason why I'm saying it has more numbers we channel Kelvin and it has like 800,000 and they were smart after Yaga Kabza because gule Yaga Kelvin they didn't clip it yakumbula ukuthi we saw the clips from Mama recordings they didn't clip it that one
the
numbers
let's remember one thing that audience of Kelvin Momo and Yaga Kabza bafana Kelvin Momo's audience is more of Abu Sushi King, not the business in the man. You guys are letting me jazz.
Yeah.
You can't not the Payana.
Stuff my bed.
And Boniver is in shoot the move.
But then the first performance was from Usan Music, so we did a lot of teaching. Shout out to the band did the most.
Yeah,
the band did the most. Even though in a toll,
I'm the same band though. For every symphony.
I'm not sure.
They do.
The drama was different from last time.
Maybe they are field.
Like
able to feel.
Okay, but
no,
then
like
the first performance from Umlido, the vocalist who performed Bamtati.
Was that again?
Why? Hey, Mara, then I gave it a 7, a solid 7 out of 10. It was nice. I'm Tati, my
One problem I have now, every artist is a Maskandi artist now.
No, but that, it makes sense. Because not
Wait, you know the Maskandi thing, which every artist now is now a Maskandi artist. Did you guys hear Scott's song on Maskandi?
Yeah,
Maskandi.
Yo, guys, it's terrible.
It's not just like
I think
DJ Mapoli is not Maskandi.
he's trying everything to stay relevant.
But it's terrible. That Maskandi thing, nah.
Obvious. Maskandi, leave Maskandi to those people with their small voices.
Yes, like
Uma she fits there because she's Zulu also. So Uzile Kush. I want to swear. I want to swear. Let's swear Kashian. I know Mangjola. Umahu. No, Mangjola. We should understand Muguti. I'll always put Mahu first. Like for
me, it's Baba.
I don't like
But then Lindo 7, and then was Usai Nekoika. There's this song Yagasanel music they performed it. I give it 6 out of 10. Sisters could have done better, but then it was nice. It was nice. I'm coming back. Interested because okay, I'll explain.
Come
and then move on to Sisba to Mavungu. Ikamala perform Muloro. You will have a Sanel, but you reduce a bed. I give a solid 4 out of 10.
Not 2.
4.
I'll listen to it.
She's performing, man. Second, yeah. This is the night. Yeah. How you forgetting what you forget?
Sometimes when you do that, you're doing it for Gucci voice.
No. Oh. She forgot which is performing.
She's not performing. Is she a performer?
Yeah, that's the thing. I think they were not performing because another shocking one is coming. Which why you get like a low rating. Tato Hearts. They are performing again. There's a song I told you now. Need 6 because like.
Is the song nice?
Yeah, it's nice. The song is nice. That's the thing. Like, is she the only one who is okay? Not the only one, but like, is she one of the few people that are busy like symphony? I need to. No, Kelvin. What's it?
She was.
She was
there? Yes, she was.
I didn't watch it.
I think Batina Lapaya, because I was talking, I did my research, Batina Lapaya, like, she was stage fright. Like, she's not a performer.
You have to remember one thing.
She's not a performer. Tato Hearts is not a performer.
Self-esteem, we said that,
yeah.
and it's always been dragged down.
And it keeps getting dragged, you know? And no time.
But she looked nice though, I like the dress. But then the backup singers, I picked it up. Because of the backup singers, I gave it in a couple of 7. Tato Hearts.
Obvious, because musical Tato Hearts obviously.
Oh, they did an excellent job. Like by saving the performance, because you're born, are you ready tonight? You're not asking, yes, no, my young shy.
Tato Hearts very funny.
Tato Hearts is not a phone could English. I'm going to see Tato Hearts like that fun, type and everything, yeah.
Hey, after the match, all the people, you know, one guy 4. But in English, I feel it's not that bad.
It's not bad. 2K.
Then you would say, like, let me show you a pin or a bull.
I'm just letting it get his debut.
Yeah.
Like, who's checking scene with this guy can bring it if I who you go? But we were supposed to win this game, dog. I understand people are celebrating for the draw, but we were supposed to win that game. But either way, a draw, we'll take a draw. But moving on, I don't think
winning a penalty.
Yeah, but then moving on, I'll try to be quick, and then Tunzi came in.
Tunzi obvious.
He performed in team. I gave it a solid 9. That guy can sing for days. Which was so. Let me perform. Hey, dog, we do want to. Hey, dog.
Because man, if you're gonna see this let me give him a tip.
I thought that thing was a joke, eh?
It's never come back. You use AI to enhance your voice. Ask AI what it sees, which might perform.
Wait, enhance your voice can when you prompted the whole lyric.
It doesn't prompt. He prompts with impalele.
Oh.
He sings.
Okay.
Takes it to AI. AI sounds nice.
And
He's the one singing.
Now I
Hey,
think you understand. You know when you perform, like let's say an artist. Kanti mic yakho abayichumi njengo Travis Scott. When Travis Scott performs, his mic.
They released on Netflix. They released what's this DC movie? I think it was like a Batman. If not Yaga Superman.
I'm Batman.
Or dog. Dog, that shit. If Remy are calling her. Why would I want to watch Framing Gaga to Netflix? High quality.
You know, I think it was prematurely taken out. The Vasalun is not
A lot more chapter 3 hours long.
That's one thing I think they give you what you want. Who's Zack Schneider?
Oh yeah, it's Superman Zack Schneider.
Schneider. Schneider and makes it better and longer. What's again?
Storylines on Nigeria.
You're going Justice League. Justice League by Kiki.
I think he just.
Yeah, but keep originally. And they came back with Lea
Zack Schneider. The thing is, if Premier ain't and Nakona exposed, I was like, nah, not.
You have to do it. Sex now illegal. Now, so if you're not going to come
very I'm going to put
Kujara, boy.
But then, we are up on Sunday, one game with another Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be peak, then go I'll just level fast. Mariana, I don't want to lie. My performances are way too. Another Tuesday takes the cup.
Obvious, so that's in the catalog.
Yeah, tell us guys telling in Pumelero, 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Because Pepzo Tumo, who will us she's a performer. That's how she got famous.
Yeah, she's a great performer. Like
Tanko. I don't understand which wife I'm trader. She's a really great performer.
In South Africa, I think that's our number one performer.
Exactly. And you know what's crazy, my dog? You know what's crazy, dog? Bega performer ingoma. Oh, babes, that song, rhetorical. It says the same thing.
But it's the vibe.
Because of the vibe, now dance and in the Kazaku, red, 9 out of 10.
Minus 1 for the Cavella.
8 out of 10. And then the queen of okay, not the queen of Amapiano. Okay, who you queen? Zimalo.
Give it to him.
Queen Yama,
not piano,
no,
2000. No, Queen of Amapiano.
2000.
Queen of Amapiano,
Queen of Amapiano never. It is Babano Vile.
It's not Babano.
It's Babano.
No.
I understand the bush, eh? But
the Queen of Amapiano is Shasha. Queen of Amapiano is Shasha.
Where is she now?
She advocated for all these female artists.
Thank you. There could have never been female vocalist Amapiano without Shasha.
We're talking about motion. Like Lama Jabasa performer,
Queen Elizabeth. Because she's been there.
How many hit songs does Shasha have compared to Baba?
You know what I think?
Wait. Coming to numbers. I'm a number Baba combined our few Kulongo and Shasha 1. 10 and a half.
I love you.
Okay.
You can't tell you.
Yeah, the thing is I haven't done my research, so I can't say. Okay, you can't.
That's why I can
But for me, Baba, stand up. If you can't be there, you'll understand.
No, let me tell you something. Wabala deserves the pedestal she's on right now.
Oh, I love that.
But Oshasha will always be the queen of.
Guys, I feel like, what I think is that I think that Shasha is a trailblazer. She's the trailblazer, the bulldozer. She's like a cinematela, she opens the way and stuff, you know? So, I'm telling her being a trailblazer relates to the game right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's why she's like the queen, yeah. It's like he ended it when I go to the queen. If I know something so I'm giving the king status because of
dog, something so it wasn't there.
something Soweto need to
Like, what's
come.
going on? Now I'm suspecting with something Soweto is the problem.
Yeah.
I think he's the problem.
I'm not going to
Joe, I was so looking forward to seeing him. Dog, that's his style, dog.
But kumbuli
That's
thing
his
one.
style.
I was something Soweto ndanga bakhathele no boy.
And now I'm not going to go to show. Uzonika amatikiti amahala or something Soweto. Make peace, dog. Like maybe symphony. What the fuck are you doing, nigga?
But I think Salele Bakabana because they stopped making music and then we have a piano something Soweto at the same time. Plus, you have to remember one thing. One thing. Mauti who something Soweto we problem. And not something Soweto was part of the swing.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah. Uye futhi waphuma futhi. This guy.
So
I think we problem. I think we
you see, it's
but then let's finish this. It's quite long. But then Zinumalo, Amakia, and a lot of other songs. Ushaye dog. Ushaye
Uzinqumalo yabona mangathuma uyaguga ngiyabuyi subuyi khasha. We number 2, number Kasha 5.
She's the best performance of the night that I gave it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, she was amazing.
She was amazing.
I saw snippets, but she was great. And when she said Jonas, I was like, yo, girl,
Hallelujah, Jonas.
And I think in the
Except 2000.
Yeah.
She's our age.
By far.
yeah. She married?
How old are you? 22. Anyway,
Do your thing, 22.
but then, dog, I was in the money. I score. I want to change this scooty. Let me like I know how to do this shit. I'm used to this shit.
Now she was born a performer.
Yeah, she's very likable. Like,
She was born a performer. That's why.
Hallelujah, Jonas. My good that's in your knees of a fit.
oh, Jonas.
I have a World Cup.
Dog,
She was supposed to go.
why is you tired?
I'm tired of this.
Tyler,
Mara, you should
performance in the blow fan as in one of the old times born into.
Mara, voice can sing Mara and I was what Africans.
No, she was not. That's really has.
I'm going to some time. Why voice I can see
Who's the young cool Africans Tyler?
Exactly.
That's what I say, Tyler.
That's what I say.
The government gives. I will get him
90%, is it 90 or 80%? Zuzu, 80% of the national anthem. It's the it's like Ubuntu. Is it Ubuntu language? It's in dog. Mara was to Tyler. I'm not talking music.
Not 50%.
Mara
is not 90%.
We support to Tyler.
Oh yeah, it's 50%.
50%.
Yeah.
Wait,
Zulu, Sotho, Afrikaans, English. So it's 50%.
Oh, okay.
And 50% this is fucking
Nice.
oppressors.
I will end the blonde.
On
the blonde from summer honey.
I don't see that part. From high school, I didn't mean having African school. My favorite Africans when I didn't move. I don't know. I don't care.
I'm sure I'm not the only one who doesn't know what Edem Blom Fon say what I mean.
Anything bro, fan answer here.
That doesn't mean.
As it mean team.
Isn't it our God of our world?
I don't care, true. Africans in Sunayo, na mile ham. Yabona lento yabahamba. Ngizwe mthunu, uyangizwa ngithi, mthuna ngithi. Abahambi nabo Africans ntwana. Ayabahamba. In closing, let's wrap it up.
Yeah, we need to fetch it because majority look at funny. I must fetch the sound, which means the chai.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. The episode was long and nice. I thought it was gonna be short.
Okay, I do have something I wanna talk about. Askis. But then, yeah, okay, so let's see symphony.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just Baba came in Uvalo, 10 out of 10.
Uvalo.
Yeah. Msaki came in.
Boom.
Yeah, you understand? That was me. Hey, whoa. That was me. Up until she performed, I gave her a solid Namzama 8, but I think 7 would be enough because she wasn't confident because the voice I can shake. But then and then was it one you say that man thought
0 out of 10.
that man tried to perform Kenya sikwelete. Yabona ngicula kanjani? Ucula ivoice ka Cedric kanjani? I don't know, dog. Like Joe, there's a lot of things that we need to ask ourselves about symphonic nana matis. But what's going on?
Symphonic never on camera. Você treina bem naquele lama playlist dele industry né. Motorista é sponsor aqui, ó. E aí, já ali aqui.
Manisha na bem, bem.
Dog nimbonile lekela se Brazil la bamlahlele over the bridge. Angana the court.
I saw that.
You know what?
I think it's I'm never going bungee jumping after that.
Exactly.
Mina Vele, guys, I didn't want to go.
Now I want to
After
go.
I saw that, I was like, okay, God, it's because of you that I don't want to go. Look at now. Look at
And you
now.
know what's the crazy part? But an off-duty nurse that was on site, we attended the situation, Magaya Papan squad, but she was still alive. Umzamilo, I'm checking to know the one dies on my watch, so he won't die, unfortunately.
That was the first one.
Gonganji.
Yes. Gonganji. Gonganji. Marai.
Oh, dog, I'd like to explain about the takes that I'm experiencing before we can close with it. Hey, dog, as it takes, dog, I'm bumping my sets to Upisero Jan Halele. How years am I commotion taxi? Amazulu no dame, dog. This guy, Musha, dog, and taxi me. I understand there's these people who want to know Musha.
Musha takes it.
I don't know what it's like, but then they like this one is like, Bafo Obamsi. Hey, let me see. Ufunugun. That's
one thing I hear about Zulu politics. I also have a Zulu friend, and I know we share in there. We will start thinking about it.
I'm like, why am I being the third party?
It's okay, that's the problem. Zulu people have a problem. Not all of them.
Crazy part, it takes
That's the problem.
I'm like, from me, your boy, Pretty Boy G, from Chilanami, all the way from Chilanami actually, and my boy staff, and Asante, take it, Mao, and I want to
From us, Chilanami, it's a wrap.